Hello guys, this is my channel. Come check out Life with Shay. And animal building arts and crafts. So today we're doing Play-doh! And we're making Play-doh out creaming tartars. These are the ingredients we're going to use. Salt, oil, flour, and lemon juice mixed with water.
Alright, first we need a quarter cup of salt. So do you want to pour the salt? I will hold the cup.
Yeah, baby, salt is my thing. I always eat salt with cucumbers anyway. That's a lot of salt. I just want to eat it all.
And then we'll put the flour in too. You can just put the flour in, okay?
Okay.
Okay, stop.
I'm going to flatten it.
Oh, you don't have to because like I can just shake it like this. Okay, put the flour in and then you can put the salt in.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. Now you can do the salt.
Make me put the salt.
Yeah, sure. Okay. And gross. Gross. Okay, then we need.
Yummy.
We'll put in the oil. So I have the ingredients right here, right beside me. So the oil we need 1 tablespoon of oil. Stop eating it. That's gross.
Yummy. Yummy.
Let's see if this is enough. Oh, lit. Okay. Pour it in there.
No, not oil. Salt.
Okay. Next,
yummy.
you can put the lemon juice mixed with water inside there. Here, it's not hot. It cooled down.
No, the salt is gone. The salt is gone. It smells good. I'm gonna.
Do you want to start using your hands now?
Me?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, use your hands.
First, I get all this off. It feels hot.
Maybe because the lemon juice mixed with the water. Okay, you know how to knead flour?
No. How do you knead?
Let's show him how to knead the flour.
I don't know how to knead flour. I don't know how to knead no flour.
Like, you need bread.
I don't know how to do that. You see me make bread? I don't know what I'm doing.
Why don't you help Ness instead of picking out your fingers?
No, but I'm not doing these things are nice and
Every video you're picking off your fingers with slime and you're not even helping Ness.
It feels like Play-doh. It's turning into Play-doh. No, I know because it's not sticky.
Yes.
First, I need to wash my hands. No, I don't need to. It comes off easily. Let's make me do it now. Yes, make me do it now.
How does it feel?
Feels great.
Does it need flour?
No, it doesn't. Look. I think it's ready. I think it's ready.
We'll see.
It gets ready fast. Maybe try it out again. I think it's ready. It's not messing up the table. Wait, look! It's not messing up the table.
Let's see.
we're going to use green, yellow, and red coloring food.
Food coloring dye?
Food coloring dye.
Yes.
To make with our Play-Doh.
Okay, let's see, Khai.
Okay, I'm going to pour it in.
Remember, like only a couple drops, okay?
I'm going to use 2.
Okay.
1.
That looked like more than 2 drops.
It controlled itself.
Okay.
4 drops. 1. 1.
Mhm.
2, 3, 4.
Okay. Next
4
one.
drops. 1 drop.
I see lots of gloves.
You see only gloves? Only see gloves? Oh my gosh.
Those gloves are a little bit big, but it's okay. You can make it work.
Oh my gosh, I
Do you need any
grab-
help?
No thanks.
Okay.
It's a
Mix it in.
It's sucking everything up. It's sucking anything in its path. It's sucking anything in its path.
Khai, I thought you were focusing on the color.
I am. And I'm making it suck anything in its path. This is a great way just doing this. Look, rip it, color. Not rip it.
Okay, do you
Color.
want to show us?
If there's orange, I see orange.
Okay, show us.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You see the colors?
Tell me what colors you see.
I see dark green, light green, pink, yellow, pink, yellow,
Yeah.
orange, dark orange. What is under it? Purple. Purple. There's purple. Brown. Brown is brown. Oh my gosh, that's all the colors I see.
Good job, Khai.
A little eggling. Eggling. Let's go to hash.
What's an eggling?
It's an egg. I call them egglings.
Okay. What are you building now?
Snakes. I'm building snakes. That one, there's a snake hiding behind here.
Show me.
It's hiding. And there's a snake watching it.
Yeah.
You should go.
Next week.
Next week, we're going to do a special animal
Video.
I'm going to do a hint. So,
You're gonna give a hint.
I'm going to give a hint. So, it lives in the forest.
Okay.
And it can crawl on walls.
Okay.
On trees too.
Wow. Okay. That's your little hint.
Yes.
Okay.
Butter. Bye. See you in the next video, yo.
What?
Call you YouTubers.
Yes, guys.
Bye.